Hey friend, you have to be passionate. But what if I told you there is another ingredient you need before diving headfirst into your passion projects? We've all seen the coaches, the gurus, the live your best life influencers telling us to chase our passions. And hey, there is nothing wrong with that. Passion is actually a powerful motivator. But what happens when the fire starts to fade? What if your passion isn't quite as profitable as you'd hoped? But lately, something has really been nagging on me. And what if there is more to this story? Because let's be honest, some passions just don't translate to a sustainable income. That's where a lot of people get stuck. They pour their hearts and soul into something they love, but the bills keep piling up. So is passion useless? Absolutely not. The point is, there is gotta be a better way to navigate this whole passion to paycheck of a thing. That's where today's golden nugget comes in. Your why should come first. Before you dive headfirst into monetizing your passion, you have to find out why you are passionate about something in the first place. Ask yourself those questions. What problem does your passion solve? What value does it bring to the world? Is it pure entertainment? Is it educative? Does it inspire? Does it empower people? And understanding your why helps you to connect with your audience on a deeper level. Think about it. Two people can be passionate about painting, but their whys might be different. One might just love the art of creating, and the other might use art to express a deeper message. Now, knowing your why shapes how you really approach your passion and how you present it to other people. Now we've established the why matters. Let's not forget the practical side of things. Passion plus market demand equal to your golden niche. Here's the deal. Your passion is amazing, but if there is no one out there interested in what you're offering, it's going to be a tough turn to profit. The sweet spot lies in that overlap, the golden niche. That's where the passion meets a genuine market need or demand. So you have to understand that passion is good, but how about the market? What do people need? What problems do they have that you are going to help solve? Is your passion going to solve a problem in the society, in the community? So when you identify that, okay, there are people in need of your passion, you use your passion to also make money while you are serving other people and giving value to a lot of people. This is where you can truly shine, creating something valuable for yourself and your audience, and also making your passion pay. You're earning money and giving out value to people. Let's be real. We all want to make money doing what we love. Because let's face it, financial security allows you to keep doing that thing you love and to build a life you're proud of, to give back to your community. So what you can do with this newfound knowledge, here are some action steps you need to take today, because I'd like you to take these actions so you can start to realize and practice what you've been taught or what you've learned today. The first thing is to deep dive into your why. So grab a notebook and brainstorm. What drives your passion? What impact do you want to make? Maybe you're passionate about fitness because you want to help others live a healthier life, or perhaps you are into cooking because you love bringing people together through food. Number two, research your markets. Is there a demand for what you're passionate about? How can you tailor your offering to meet that demand? And if you're a fitness enthusiast, explore different niches within those fitness industry, and such as personalized training programs or meal planning services. Number three, don't be afraid to pivot. Maybe your initial passion needs a little tweaking to fit into a viable market. That's okay. So you have to stay open and be willing to adapt as you learn more about your audience and their needs. Remember, passion is a fuel, but market demand is the fire. Together, they create a powerful force that can turn your dreams into reality. So ignore the follow your passion blindly mentality, because it's really going to lead you to something that you might not be able to find yourself out from. You need to find your why, find your niche, and watch your passion take flight. Now, leave a comment below with your biggest takeaway from today's video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Always remember that Rome wasn't built in a day. Building a successful passion-driven career takes time, effort, and perseverance. So stay patient and keep hustling. Share with me your biggest takeaway, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. But before you go, I'd like you to check out this playlist right here. It is going to help you to understand more about career insights. I have my best videos out here. So these videos are going to help you to build a profitable brand, land your dream jobs, and also to make you to avoid some career mistakes that might cost you your job or might cost you your current opportunity that you just got. So you need to watch all the videos to be able to learn some career insights and take action on them, and also to keep going. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video to anyone who would love to watch and learn something from this. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.